And my intent was to stand my ground and not consent to their evil ways. So that's how it went, and very happy, actually very surprised at the outcome in the end. So we'll see you on the other side again, guys. All comments you hear at this point are from my mind only. You do, can't you?
So, if that was to be done, and the prosecution, because we all have the right to know and understand the cases.
That's right. That's correct. That's true.
That's natural justice.
Yes.
What would happen in the meantime?
Well, as I said, it's at this point I'm happy with what's been presented. I just wanted to get
Happy-ish.
happy. Well, happy. I know I'm happy. I'm always happy. Knowing what I
I just
know.
want to make sure that we have something to agree with.
Yes.
And I don't want to prevent you
No.
from, in any way, from understanding
That's right.
the case that's been brought against you,
Yes.
which you're guilty to.
All I can say is, with the knowledge I have now, and knowing who I am and who I am not, I am happy to just make this known. That's all I'm doing.
Do you have any income?
No, only the pension at this stage.
Well, that's an income.
That is, yes. That's the only income I have.
And how much, you want me asking how much you receive?
It's just a normal pension for old age pension,
A couple $100 a week?
which is $300 odd, $360 or something like that.
A week or a fortnight?
A week.
Did they impound your motor vehicle?
I'm not sure. I'd have to ask my friend behind whether that it was moved or not.
Mr. Chair, it wasn't impoundment, it was left in situ at the back of the LD car park.
Hopefully somebody's...
Still there. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Well, as soon as I can, we'll be getting it towed. But
I can take it on. The accused had a friend present in the back of the court who was endeavouring to pick up the vehicle, but the accused refused to sign paperwork releasing his keys. Unfortunately, just one of those issues.
so that was done. Not wanting to sign to the legal name. Yeah, now it's been redone. Yeah. I'm not sure what stage we're up to as far as organising.
Oh, we thought we'll wait and see what happens here.
Anyway, it's, I hope that that side of things will turn out for you, because clearly it's got a value, and it's...
Oh, certainly is. It's my home at the moment.
Exactly.
It's very valuable.
But it is very concerning. I mean, I can appreciate that everyone has different beliefs and theories, but it's very concerning that carrying a firearm around,
I understand.
particularly with ammunition,
Yeah.
because there are thieves about,
Yeah.
and bad things do happen.
Sure. And I think you would find, well, when I'm not in the vehicle, it's always securely locked, and the firearm was stored in a place that is...
Well, if you've got a firearms license, you know you've got to secure it away, and you've got to have ammunition separate, so on and so forth, and you need to have it purposely built.
Originally the
Separate
firearm...
the vehicle for the
Yeah.
firearm and something else for the ammunition. Now the ammunition might go in a glove box if it's smokable and so on and so forth.
No, it wasn't. The ammunition wasn't in the rifle.
No,
It was separate, and it was only
one cartridge.
But it has to be secured
Yeah.
in a separate. I mean,
Well,
if you've got
yeah.
a firearms license, you should know
Mm-hmm.
the firearm and the ammunition need to be secured in two separate containers.
The other thing I might point out, as far as contracts go, we are in commerce, are we not? And all commerce is contract.
Well, keep going.
Signatures.
I'm happy to let you have your say.
Yeah, that's fine. This is only what I know and I found out. So, and this is why I was saying that the original birth certificate is actually a contract, and also a death certificate. The name,
Is it a contract?
the name on the birth certificate is actually a dead entity. A dead.
Well, I have to say, Susan, that I'm really not agreeing with you.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
And these proceedings are being conducted in a somewhat unusual manner, by the prosecutor and by myself to try and assist you with your beliefs.
Yep.
But the courts really operate in a fairly rigid way, and
Understand.
we're bound by the higher jurisdictions, and we have the means of getting people to comply with the rules of society, rules that are set down, not the rules of society, but the rules that are laid down.
The rules for the dead.
Punish people. And punish them in a more and more harsh fashion the more often they come,
I understand.
until they decide not to come back anymore.
Yeah. Yep.
It's not like prison holes with penal settlements, but it's a similar theory. Do you have any physical or mental problems?
No. No, the only thing I have is a bad back injury, which is 20 years ago now, which is settled down and quite okay, but other than that, everything is well, very good.
There's no mandatory orders that I need to be making, Mr. Prosecutor.
No, Your Honour.
Just to finish off that little statement I was on, I would urge you to take a look at those papers sometime if you could.
Well,
I mean,
I'm sorry to repeat myself,
yeah.
but there's no way that I would set an example to the people who work here by handling them,
Fair enough.
unless you can present
The
them
point-
in a different form.
Oh, I can reissue them if you like.
I will read them, as long as they don't, they're not contaminated by.
Well, the point of the DNA print was to prove that I'm a living being, not a corporate fiction dead entity. That's all it was about.
Your Honour, there is an application for forfeiture in relation to charge 10.
This prosecutor is telling me I can't have a bad back.
I did. No, I never saw that. Can't see easy. Put it that way.
What a joke.
What about the firearm?
I'm not seeking forfeiture of that, Your Honour, but the accused can make arrangements to have that transferred over to the licence person. Or
Does the
he actually licensed himself and have it back upon the satisfies the storage requirements.
presumably the
Action.
licensing regulation people may have a view about it.
Well, I think that's finding guilty to become a proven person, so his license will be cancelled as of today. But we're not seeking to have forfeiture made in relation to that.
What sort of sword is it?
Basically, samurai soft sword.
Is it real or
Real enough. I don't know whether the blade's sharp, but
Well, no, the point of the question is that a real one is worth a lot of money,
Yeah, no, it's not worth that much.
and a replica is worth 2/5 of something else.
A replica sort of construction, right?
It's around about $300 worth. Of it. Oh, as far as the firearm goes, I'm not too worried and fussed about the licence. To me, the firearm is a bit of a nuisance, and I'm quite happy to let it go. As far as I would seek to sell the firearm at this point. If somebody wants it, I'm fine to. I don't want anything to do with it at this point.
Probably better off.
Yeah, well, that's what I feel too. It's been a bit of a problem.
Well, what I tend to do is having regard to the 5 days prison.
8 stage. And coming up to April, it's today would be.
8 you're on.
Wasn't he
I don't know.
third?
What's today?
No, take that back, you're on. It is my 4 calculations. Yeah, you're on 5, 6 days.
See how time drags when you're in the cell?
That was alright.
I'd say you like it too much.
So if you like, we
I
can
was getting
get
looked
back.
after pretty well. Wasn't it?
Make it every day.
Having regard to the 5 days prison that you've done,
6 now.
there'll be no further penalty today.
Yeah, thank you.
But I can just remind you that the more you come back, the worse it gets. So, whatever your beliefs are, sometimes there's a balance of convenience. Anyway, free to go.
That'll please.